I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact horizontal range you want to flip into a vertical list. This reduces errors later. Once selected, copy it with Ctrl+C and make sure headers are included if they'll be part of the final column. If you need static numbers, plan to use paste values. If you want formulas preserved, plan paste formulas. These choices matter because they determine whether data updates when the source changes, and they influence the next step. Next, pick the destination cell where the new vertical list should start. This avoids overwritten data. Right-click, Open Paste Special, and check Transpose, then Confirm. Once done, Excel rearranges rows into a column instantly. This is the simplest conversion for values and formatting. Make sure to scan formulas. Relative references might shift, so change them to absolute if necessary. If you prefer a keyboard route, copy, move. Then Alt+E+S+E works on older Excel versions. To finish, clean up by converting formulas to values. If you don't want dynamic links, use paste values. Then check number formats and column width so the list reads correctly. If you spot reference errors, edit or use Find and Replace to correct patterns quickly. If Paste Special Right Arrow Transpose didn't work or you need a live link back to the original, use the Transpose. Array formula and press Ctrl+Shift+Enter in older Excel, or enter normally in modern Excel for dynamic updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.